welcome back. This is the Farkinell Fishing Channel. Bit of something different today. Up at Baffle Creek for the annual Hobie Crew Baffle Creek trip. Bit of a fishing comp, social fishing comp, mainly for mangrove jacks and any sort of legal fish you can get. There's about 32 of us, I think, out here. There's a good number of yaks, a good bunch of people. So I'm going to hit this rock bar early, head upstream today and see what happens. Just find a little, what's it called, clone prawn. But yeah, should be a good day. The wind turned up pretty nice for the weekend. It's over 2 days. So the weather looks pretty good. We'll see how we go. Brim. Eh? No. Slim swim. Slim swim. Yeah. What's not beautiful is the amount of water in my hull. Yeah, I got a leak somewhere. It'd be good if I was recording that. Just got another brim. Actually put up a bit of a stink of a fight. I thought it was a jack. He's legal, so I may as well measure him. 28, 29. See it, bro. Like until the current starts running, I like points and stuff. Fishing any sort of point. There's no movement. A little bit of movement around this bend. Was that on the rock bar? Fuck, now there's a fish. I don't know, I'm throwing in. Something's definitely feeding up in here, just nothing at the lure in there though. It's hard up against the bank. Oh, you dog. That was a jack. Little jack. I don't think it's the one from before. Little pup. There's a bigger one in there. I think it'll be a Trev. Fortunately, Trevs don't count. Could be tarp on. Yeah. Big skill. Pretty hard slog. I only got a few fish, but at least I count for something. Not a lot of people have been catching a lot, so this seems very quiet, very still. Keep persisting. Maybe towards the bottom of the tide in a few hours it might spark up. Oh, he's pricked me. He's pricked me on some. Pricked. Could be cod. Well, Mel just got buried, eh? Felt like a cod, but it could have been a jack. Piece of shit. Yeah, it's been pretty quiet. Gonna head back to camp now, have some lunch, figure out what to do in the afternoon. Well, it's day 2 out at Baffle this morning. Came down to Flat Rock. A couple of guys decided to come here as well. Wind's a bit up, but the water's looking pretty good. I didn't film yesterday afternoon session, but I got a 45 centimeter trev and a couple of brim. Just launched and I saw this little rock bar here, so I give it a crack. Then move up around the bend. Definitely different water to where we were yesterday, so I might need to change tactics a little bit with lure choice. I knew it was going to be fairly quiet early because it was changing tide, but with the wind and tide pushing up against this rock bar, hopefully it'll make something happen. There's bait around it. I don't see much bait around it, but hopefully that's where the bait's going to go as the tide drops. But I guess bait can go anywhere here. There's a bit of bait around here. I marked up some fish before on this point, so we'll see what happens. Be a quiet start so far, but it's only been an hour or so. There we go. Like a trev. Pull the hook, dog. I can pull the hook. Ah, pull the hook on that thing. What the f... Oh, biggie, you're right. Eagle ray. Get in. Oh yeah, Charlotte, don't go in there. Oh, fuck. Trouble now. Alright, good on.
I won't take a picture of you under stress.
Oh.
Take a picture once you get it in.
It went around the transducer, the peanut. Ah, the big eagle ray jumped up there.
What was it?
Yeah, it wasn't a fish.
Alright.
Massive eagle ray.
Okay.
I just seen the bait getting smashed.
What? It's a barra?
Nah, trev.
That's Trev, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
There's a few around. Like I've seen those at some little.
You don't get photographed then?
You can get if you want. I'm not. Unless it's over 50, I don't need to worry about it. He's not over 50. But yeah, there's a rock bar there, so be careful. But
we got a barra along this edge here, and what I call the dune down there.
have you? So you've been out here before?
Oh, I live in Aggie, so I come down. I don't come down here often enough.
Because I've never been here, so I just know about this rock bar, and that was it. See how big he is for fun. He's about 40 odd. Good fun. The other side's here, it's where the treads were before, so I'm going to go back. Haven't sanded up at school. There's a fish. That looks like a barra, eh? Dropped a good fish, didn't get the hook. Got another one. That's a rock. I think it's the waves over the shoals. It's got a cod. Not big enough. 35 maybe. Little cod. Probably should get 1,000 of these around. Ah, you bastard got them. Should be thousands of them, but it's gonna be hard to come by for me. Oh man. I know it's a new area, but Baffle Creek has been a bit of a challenge. I hear so many good stories about it, but I don't know, it seems very quiet. I haven't really, should probably venture more further, but with the wind and tide, you really need a boat, to be fair. I don't know. We decided to do the afternoon session after all. Couple of hours anyway, just gonna stay close to camp, fish this rock bar and around this island, which I haven't really done yet, so just gonna fish light and hope there's, I don't know, it's more about catching a fish rather than a jack, but still, the jacks only seem to be eating little lures and jelly prawns mainly. Fuck happened there? What the fuck? Got a jack. Baby. It's a baby. The one buff I've heard so far was in that tree and it paid off. Little slim swim. Old faithful. Big as the jack's getting here, I think. Oh well. At least I got another one. Not sure what happened. I think my bail arm went over as I set the hook. He got me home. Oh, go, 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 go. Oh, it's a fucking catfish. Are you serious? Far out Brussels sprout. Oh, not gonna lie, stinky old catty, but he gave me some joy. Fuck, he went hard, man, right by the stump. Not a jack. You're joking. I'm running my drag fairly loose because if, you know, if that was a jack, he probably would have got me home. I need to be able to, I'd rather him not just ping me off because it's too tight, so. But I will maybe just nip it a little bit. Oi! Rock bar there, bro.